Your Honor, this is Mark Corey. I'm here for the Gala cases this morning. I'm sorry earlier when I was in another courtroom, but I'm ready whenever you are, Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you.
Your Honor,
this is Mark Corey. I'm here for the Gala cases this morning.
turn off.
I'm sorry earlier when I was in another courtroom, but I'm ready whenever you are. Thank you.
Your audio must be on and turn it off. Yes. Thank you. There's a
Your Honor, I'm here on the Detroit Property Hub LLC case from this morning at 8:50. I know you passed over us. I think the tenant was not here at that time. It is a first appearance. I'm here on the Detroit Property Hub LLC case from this morning at 8:50. I know you passed over us. I think the tenant was not here at the time. It is a first appearance.
I have Mr. Corey's cases here. I'm trying to figure out where the echoes are coming in. Check your audio. Make sure it's turned off. Your audio. 20348-285 City Property Management versus Diamond Howard.
Morning, Your Honor. Mark Corey, P 82210 on behalf of plaintiff for this matter.
20348-285 City Property Management versus Diamond Howard.
Your Honor, Mark Corey, P 82210 on behalf of plaintiff for this matter.
Is there a Diamond Howard here?
Your Honor, this is the first appearance for this matter. There was no personal service, so at this time we would ask for an adjourned date. Your Honor, this is the first appearance for this matter. There was no personal service. Adjourned date.
Okay. You say there's no personal service?
That is correct, Your Honor. This was service by attachment for this matter. That is correct, Your Honor. This was service by attachment.
Let's set it for February 25th. February 25th. Now I have 20348, 292 Argo Property Management versus Cordell Spark.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mark Horry, P 82210 on behalf of plaintiff. This is similar to the last matter where it is a first appearance, but we did not have personal service.
Property Management versus Cordell Spark.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mark Horry, P 82210 on behalf of plaintiff. This is similar to the last matter where it is a first appearance, but we did not have personal service.
Same day, 225 at 10:30.
Thank you, Your Honor. And then what was the time for the first case? I don't know if I...
10 o'clock, and then this one would be 10:30.
Perfect. Thank you, Your Honor. And I just have one more this morning, Trusted Homes.
Thank you.
There you
Thank you, Your Honor. So what was the time for the
10 o'clock, and the second one at 10:30.
perfect.
You gotta do something with your YouTube audio.
Okay, let me see. How about this? Any echoes? No, so maybe we did it right. Is Mr. Horka, are you guys out of the breakout room for Ms. Masters?
Yes, Your Honor, we're out of the breakout room. Your Honor, I do believe that there may be some conflict of interest with Ms. Snow. She is the head of our legal department. I would be happy to speak to the defendant in a breakout room to explain what the offer Mr. Horka is making and answer any questions she might have before she goes and speaks to Mr. Horka, if that would please the court.
So that's Ms. Mathis?
Yes, but I don't know that I can represent her today. I've reached out to Ms. Snow. She hasn't responded yet. So if she does, I'll let you know what she says. But I do think that there might be too much of an entanglement between our organizations.
Okay. So you were in one breakout room?
I was in one, I believe. Yeah.
Ms. Mathis?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mathis,
Yes, I'm here.
I'm gonna put you in breakout room 1 to see if they can explain to you what's going on and see if that might help you, okay?
Okay, all right, thank you.
I don't know if it's gonna help, but we'll try.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, how do I do that first thing?
okay. Mr. Worker, you can stay out.
Thank you, Your Honor. I do have one other case with you.
20348-296 Banyan Property versus Keela Terrell.
Morning, Joe Horker representing the plaintiff, P75969.
Keela Terrell.
Yes.
Is there a Keela Terrell?
Yes.
Okay, I hear you now.
Oh.
Ms. Terrell, would you like to speak to one of our free attorneys?
Sure. Yes.
Would you like to speak to,
I'm here, Judge.
thank you, Mr. Santiago. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Santiago, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna put you in room 2.
Judge, would you also include Ms. Van Dyke, the U of M law volunteer, into that breakout room?
I'll do my best.
Thank you.
Room 2. Terrell, we're assigning you to room 2.
Okay.
And there should be something that says join room 2. I'm not feeling well today. Did everybody get in room 2? There they go. Okay. Trusted Homes versus DeAndre Bailey. 20348-001. Trusted Homes versus DeAndre.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mark Corey P. 82210 on behalf of plaintiff.
Okay, and this is 203. I think I have a dismissal in this next case. 2034348-300. Creekside Homes versus Janelle Robert. Creekside Homes versus Janelle Barrett.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, what did we do with Mr. Bailey? 001?
I think, oh, excuse me. 20348-001. I think we put them in a breakout room.
Your Honor, this is my case. This is a first appearance, and it doesn't look like the defendants appeared. So I think we just need a new date. I don't believe there was personal service in this matter.
They want me to give up the CDC. This up.
Ms.
February 17th.
I didn't get that date, Your Honor.
February 17th at 10 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
February 17th at 10 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a nice day.
Thank you. And then I have 20348-300 Creekside Home versus Janelle Barrett, and I have a dismissal. And it's a dismissal.
Your Honor, this is Donovan McCarty. I'm back out of the breakout room with Ms. Mathis whenever the court is ready to recall that.
Sorry. Who was out of a breakout room?
This is Donovan McCarty. I'm out of the breakout room with Ms. Mathis. I believe Mr. Horka was on the other side of this.
So I see Ms. Mathis and Mr. McCarty. They were in breakout room 2. Is there anything we could do?
Your Honor, I did explain it to Ms. Mathis, like I explained to her also that I cannot represent her in this matter. I believe that Mr. Horka was offering till February 1st, but that she waived the CDC declaration. I think that she's fine with February 1st, but not waiving the CDC declaration. But at this point, I think maybe it makes sense for me to step out of this and then let the two of them talk or represent themselves to the court.
Come on, lawyer. 'Cause I'm on you.
And the Mr. Horton, you wanted to talk to Ms. Keela Terrell?
She's in a breakout room with Mr. Santiago, Your Honor.
Oh, okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Norton Holmes versus Bree Johnson.
Your Honor, Kevin Callahan, P78273, standing in for the attorney of record, Brian Bouchard, for plaintiff.
Call the case, Your Honor.
20348 34831 348-312 Northtown Homes versus Bree Johnson. Mr. Gromer's case.
And for the record, Your Honor, Kevin Callahan, filling in for the attorney of record, Brian Bouchard, for plaintiff. What's our new date, Judge?
New date for this one?
Yep. I mean, there's first hearing and everything gets adjourned anyways, so.
February 25th. $225 at 10 a.m.
Judge?
Okay. Northtown Homes versus Lethia STRO ZIER, case number 20348-316.
Yes, Your Honor. Hello?
Yes,
Oh, okay. I thought my phone went out.
and your name?
Lethia Strozier.
Yes.
Yeah, she's the defendant on this matter, Your Honor. I believe that, I don't know if she wants to speak with legal aid.
Okay.
Ma'am, would you like a free attorney to represent you in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
I can speak with her, Judge.
I'm gonna put you in a breakout room.
Okay.
I am still, go ahead, Kevin, sorry.
No problem, Robert. Can we get the 25th as adjourn date on this as well? And if Mr. Santiago can represent, we can see if we can go through EDP with this.
That's fine, Judge. What I can do is just briefly explain what's going on with to Ms. Strozier and get her phone number, and then we will try and work behind the scenes before that next date.
Okay.
I'll put you, Mr. Santiago, you're in room 2. I'll put Strozer in room 2.
Thank you, Judge.
Callahan,
Judge, do you want to give the time for that date on the 25th, and I can just after I talk to Ms. Strozier, she can just go? Is that okay?
Works for me. So what was the date? February 25th?
Correct.
It was, these are February 25th?
I thought that's what you said, Kevin.
I missed it. I thought it was January 25th, but maybe that was optimistic.
Generally, the new EDP program should be, the specifics are supposed to come out mid-February. That's why we've been waiting.
February 25th at 10 a.m.
may I please get the attorneys to please put your appearances on the record when you start talking? Thank you so much.
Robert Santiago, Michigan Legal Services, P57157. Sorry, Denise.
Okay.
And Denise, Kevin Callahan, P78273, standing in for the attorney of record, Brian Bouchard, plaintiff.
Thank you guys so much.
Of course, I apologize.
And I'm going in the break room now, Judge, unless you need me for something else.
No.
Thank you.
And Ms. Strozer.
Yes. Yes. Oh, man.
Ms. Strozer, are you in a breakout room?
No, I'm still here.
Okay. Would you like to speak to one of our free attorneys?
Yes.
Mr. McCarty?
Yep, Your Honor, I'm happy to speak with her.
I believe she was going to breakout room with Mr. Santiago.
Oh,
I am back right now. I have breakout room 2. That was Ms. Strozier, but I also forgot that I had spoken to Ms. Terrell on Joe Horka's case, Judge.
yeah, I'm happy to speak to Ms. I'm happy to speak to Ms. Strozier if that makes it easier. I think I'm in breakout room 1.
Yes, Mr. McCarty, you are, and I'm going to send Ms. Strozer in there with you.
Sounds good.
And Judge, I do have 3 other matters.
Your Honor, this is Denise. Did we do that 850 case ending in 288? It was you see a Michael. Did we do that one?
No, you have not.
Oh, okay. That's your case, Mr. Cinco?
Yeah. Yes, it is.
Okay.
I have 20348-319 Gila Management versus Joseph Moore.
Your Honor, Kevin Callahan, P78273, representing plaintiff. I do not know if proof of service is in the file. My Process server just got me a copy. I'll email over to Renee. In any event, this being the first hearing, and we are subject to Tom Boyd's AO, we would ask for a new date, Your Honor.
Yes. Galaxy J7. You gonna catch up with them, Renee?
Yes.
Okay.
The person who's zoomed in, your phone is labeled Galaxy J7. What's your name, please? Just zoomed in. I just see the top of your head. Galaxy J7. What's your name, please? Let's see if he connected. He may not be connected. I'm gonna try to send him a chat. 20348-319 Gila Management versus Joseph Moore. Joseph Moore. Mr. Callahan, this one's yours.
Yes, Judge, we were asking for a new date on this. I don't know if the February 25th date works for a second hearing.
February 25th is getting kind of full.
Whatever works.
$25, 10:30.
Thank you, Judge. Judge, there's a case ending in 323. It's Gila Management versus Mona Johnson. I'm going to submit a dismissal to Renee on that one.
What did you say, Mona Johnson? You're sending a dismiss?
Correct. Yeah, Ms.
You're
Johnson
sending-
vacated the property, so we're going to dismiss it.
Okay. Did you send the dismissal?
I will be sending a dismissal, Judge. I have not yet.
Sherwood Heights versus Stephen Jeffries. 20348-327. Mr. Landau. Mr. Landau. Sherwood Heights Apartments versus Stephen Jeffrey.
Judge, this is Kevin Callahan again. Did we, I'm missing 308. Did we call that one?
You're on the record with this one, though.
Oh,
Can we
sorry,
go
I
to the same-
apologize, sorry.
Thank you.
I have a notice of dismissal from Mr. Landau, 20348-331. I'm signing that dismissal.
Judge Robert Santiago, Michigan Legal Services, P57157. The defendant tenant on that case is a clearance sale. It shows that he is present.
Which case?
The one that you just indicated, 331, that Mr. Landau had submitted the dismissal.
Yes, the defendant is here.
He was. All of a sudden, he just disappeared. I don't
He's
know if he's
there.
having.
He's
Oh, there he
there.
is.
He's there.
Thanks, Denise.
Mhm.
Mr. Clarence Hill. Clarence Hill,
I think he's having trouble connecting to the audio.
Mr. Clarence Hill. Mr. Hill, I've just dismissed your case. It's been dismissed by Mr. Landau. You're free to go. Sherwood Heights Apartments versus Stephen Jeffries.
Yes, I'm here.
Mr. Hill, you may go. The case has been dismissed, okay?
I think that was Jeffrey, Your Honor.
Oh. Mr. Hill, can you hear me? Clarence Hill, can you hear me? Clarence Hill, can you hear me? Mr. Hill, can you hear me?
I asked him to try to reconnect.
Ask him what?
I asked him to try to reconnect to the audio.
Why don't you do it, Denise?
I can't. He has to do it. Send him another.
Mr. Hill, you'll have to reconnect. Can you hear me?
I chatted it to him, Your Honor.
Oh, can you reconnect? Can you reconnect to us, Mr. Hill?
He's trying.
Yep.
Oh, there you go. He did it. I'm mute. There he is, Your Honor.
Hello?
Mr. Hill, can you hear us?
Yes, I hear you now.
Okay, your case has been dismissed, sir.
Okay, thank you.
And thank you, and have a good day, sir.
Okay, you too. Thank you.
Your case has been dismissed.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Case number 20348. Case number 348. Number 20348. 327 Sherwood Heights versus Stephen Jeffries.
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mark Lando, P42790 on behalf of the plaintiff.
Is there a Stephen Jeffries here?
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor. Can you hear me?
Stephen Jeffries.
Your Honor,
I'm here.
I am able to hear Mr. Jeffries. He is in the virtual courtroom. Not sure why you're not able to hear him, but he is here.
Oh, there he is. I can see him now and hear him. Mr. Jeffrey, would you like one of our free attorneys?
Yes, sure. Yeah. Can you hear me?
Mr. Landau, is your client interested in the EDP program?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Jeffries, that's a program that might help pay your rent. I'm going to put you in a breakout room so that your rent can be paid.
Okay, so will I be able to see that myself? Will we still be able to correspond?
Yes, you will. Mr. McCurdy,
I'm here, Judge.
Mr. Santiago, would you talk to Mr. Jeffries for me?
Certainly.
McCurdy.
I can do it, Judge.
Mr. Santiago, I'm going to email over to you Mr. Jeffries' ledger. You'll have a more informed conversation with him.
Okay. Judge, can we just get the next date and then I can get Mr. Jeffries' phone number?
The 26th, because I'm moving into March. 2/26. At 10 a.m.
Yeah, that's fine, Judge.
Robert, what's your email address these days?
rsantiago at milegalservices.org.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Hey, Stephen.
Yes, sir.
I just chatted you. Can you respond to my chat with your phone number and then I can call you either today or tomorrow after court?
This is all new to me. Can I just dictate my phone number to you?
We're on YouTube, so why don't I give you my phone number as soon as you get off the phone? Call my number and leave your voice in a voice message your phone number, okay?
Okay. And you're Mr. Santiago?
Yep. So it's 313.
Okay.
774-0362.
774-0362.
Correct. And the judge indicated that the next court date is February 26th at 10 a.m.
Okay.
And
That's
you're
the next
going to
court date?
breakout room 2.
Actually, Judge, if we have the date and Mr. Jeffries calls me and leaves his phone number, I think we're done for right now. I can just call them after court.
So you don't want to go into a breakout
No,
room.
it's fine, Judge. Thank you.
So you'll be back in court on February 26th at 10 a.m.
So that's would be another virtual court probably, right? Correct?
Yes, it will.
Okay.
Same number you called.
Your Honor, you said February 6th?
February 26th,
26.
10 a.m.
Thanks, Judge. Thanks, Mark.
Thank you, folks.
Okay, Mr. Jeffries, you're. Who else do we have? We have Ms. Mathis is still here. Mr. Jeffries, you're free to go. Ms. Keela Terrell, where's that cake?
Your Honor, I
Thank you,
believe
Your
that's
Honor.
the only thing I have before you this morning.
What about Stephen Jeffries? That was him we just did, right?
That was him.
Yes.
Sharif Nasser versus all occupants. Sharif Nasser versus all occupants is Mr. Abbott's case. That's Mr. Abbott's case.
You are on the side, just listen.
Anna, may I check and see who this person is with the phone number?
Those two, sir.
The person whose phone number ends in 9924, what's your name, please?
Olivia Quaz.
What is your name?
Olivia Quaz.
You said Cross?
Quaz, Qualls.
What time is your case scheduled for?
11 o'clock with Sharif Nassar.
Oh, that's you.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you spell your name for me?
Olivia, Olivia Qualls.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Abandoned property management versus Keela Terrell.
Morning, Joe Horka, P75969, representing the plaintiff.
Good morning, Your Honor. Robert Santiago, Michigan Legal Services, on behalf of Keela Terrell, who is present. Keela, you're on mute. I don't know if you're trying to speak.
Yes.
Okay, what we do with this one?
Yes.
Okay, we can hear you, Ms. Terrell.
Your Honor, this is our first hearing on this one. It's a non-payment of rent case. I believe my client would be interested in EDP if Mr. Santiago and his client are interested in pursuing that.
Yes, Judge. Again, it's the same situation. We won't really know any of the specifics about the EDP program until about mid-February.
I hate this window.
So what's the March date? First March day. March 1st.
Be great, Judge.
Mr. Santiago, would that be good for you?
Yes,
Is the
that's
month-
perfect, Judge. Yes, thank you. What time, Judge?
10 a.m.
Perfect.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Keela, I will give you a call when I'm done with court or tomorrow. Is she free to go,
Okay.
Judge?
Ms. Keela, you are free to go.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Judge, we should be ready for you to recall Leatherwood versus Mathis whenever you're ready for it.
Mr. Abbott hasn't come up yet. Mr. Butchart hasn't come in. Detroit Property Hub versus Alicia Michael.
Good morning, Your Honor. Lucia DeSico, P72856, the hearing for the plaintiff.
Detroit, let's see, case number 20348-288, Detroit Property Hub versus Alicia Michael, sorry guys. I'm so sorry. DeSicio is the last name, Mr. DeSicio. This is your case?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, from what the property manager has told me, Your Honor, the tenant is working on their EDP application. We are going to work with them on that. It looks like the application is almost completed. This is a first appearance, Your Honor, so I know they were not personally served, so we're just requesting an adjournment date and time right now.
March 1st.
Okay.
At 10:15, okay?
All right. Thank you, Your Honor. That is my only case with you this morning. So thank you so much.
Thank you. Peter Management versus Mona Johnson, 20348-323. It's a dismissal.
Yeah, you already called.
Thank you, Judge. Judge, this is Kevin Callahan again. I did not get that 308 was called with my other ones.
I'm doing a dismissal on that one. The Gila Management versus Mona Jeff.
No, it's one for Brian Bouchard, 348308, Creekside Homes versus Pinkston.
Creekside Homes versus Terrell Pinkston. 20348308 versus Terrell Pinkston.
Judge Kevin Callahan, P78273, standing in for the attorney of record Brian Bouchard. This is a first hearing. We're asking for another court date pursuant to the administrative order.
He's not here. Defendant is not here.
No.
March 2nd at 10:30. At 10:30.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, everybody. Nassar Sharif Nassar versus the occupants on 8742 Smart Street, the lower level. This is Abbott Street, Abbott's case 20.
Yes, Judge, that's my case. Olivia Qualls.
Who said that's their case? Can I have a name?
Olivia Qualls.
So you're the defendant in the case, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
It's freezing in this house.
Mr. Abbott isn't here. Mr. Abbott, most of his clients are interested in the EDP program. We've called it several times. Set it for March.
Your Honor, did Ms. Qualls want to speak to an attorney? I'm available if she does.
Ms. Qualls, would you like to speak to one of our free attorneys?
I have attorney through Lakeside with Brent.
Lakeshore?
Brent? Yeah, Lakeshore. Yeah.
Okay.
And who's your attorney there at Lakeshore?
Brent.
Lazinski? And this is not his day.
Yeah, he said he wouldn't be appearing in court today, but he said his co-workers will be in to court.
Anybody can cover for Lazinski?
He told me the application went through and he was just waiting off on you to sign it for it to go through, for it to process for a check, for us to get a dismissal today.
Mr. Lazinski is on Friday. How about we set this for February 26th or March?
How much macaroni?
March.
Let me think.
March 5th.
What is the microwave? Get done with Chris Court.
March 5th. March 5th, okay, ma'am?
So
That's
March
a
5th,
Friday. Yeah, that's the 5th, March 5th. And that's
March
a
5th,
Friday. And that's when he usually works on Fridays, okay?
Okay, so March 5th, I call back.
Same number,
Okay, what time?
10 o'clock.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. And that's his normal day.
Okay,
At 10 a.m., okay, ma'am?
okay, thank you.
Anybody see Mr. Abbott or call Mr. Abbott for me?
Ms. Quells go, Your Honor?
Yes,
Judge, I'll give Jim a call.
thank you, Mr. Sante.
You can go, Ms. Quells. The
Okay,
judge
thank you.
Judge say you can go. Ouch.
Okay, thank you.
I'm trying to see if we can catch Mr. Sante, Mr. Abbott. I'm trying to see if I can get, there he is, Mr. Abbott. 2034833 203483335 TNT Properties. Ms. Poole,
Yes.
Mr. Abbott,
Morning, Your Honor. For the record, my name is James Abbott, P26085. I represent the plaintiff TNT Properties.
is there a Ms. Poole here?
Yes, I'm here.
Natasha Poole, you're here?
Yes, I'm here.
And you're the defendant in the case?
Yes.
Mr.
This is the
Abbott?
first hearing. This is the first hearing, Your Honor.
Okay. This is the first hearing, Ms. Poole, you'd like to speak to one of our free attorney?
Yes.
Your Honor, this is Donovan McCarty. I'm happy to speak with her.
Thank you. Then would you like to speak to one of our free attorneys, please?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Is he on? Hello. Hello.
Yep, I'm getting a break room up for you. Ms. Poole, let's see, Mr. McCarty, you're in room 1.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to move Ms. Poole into room 1.
Okay, great. And Jim, I might have missed this. Is your client interested in EDP on this?
I don't know. It's first hearing. I don't, not for sure.
Okay.
It's a fairly modest amount, so perhaps, yeah.
Do you have the amount? What is the amount?
I'm not sure, but it's not like years rent. It's
Okay.
4 or
All right,
5 months probably.
Okay, then I'll go into the breakout room and talk to Ms. Poole.
Yep. I'm here. Can you see me?
We're getting ready to move you into breakout room 1.
Okay.
That's the last one we have to do.
I've got another case, Your Honor.
With me?
Yeah, it's a CD. Maybe you've already signed it. It's Nasser versus Qualls, case number 114, 11 o'clock.
gave her another date. They gave her the 3rd, I mean, 5th to come back.
Ms. Poole, you in breakout room 1, and Mr. Santiago, you in breakout room 1.
McCartney.
Judge Millender,
Yes,
did you adjourn 114?
I think we did. Mr. McCarty, you in breakout room 1, and Ms. Poole is in breakout room 1. Who's gone? Oh, yeah. And do we have an afternoon? No.
Well, she sent that to me back in December.
I'll be back.
No,
Pardon?
let's pick a date. We'll pick a date in February, in March, Mr. Abbott.
For Poole?
That's Mr. I have to pick a date in March.
This is for Ms. Poole, Your Honor?
Yes.
Okay.
What happened to February?
It's full.
Action.
Who's the attorney that went in with her?
It was Donovan McCarty, Judge.
McCarty, and what days are his? He's on Thursday. So it'll be March 4th. March 4th.
That's good advice.
March 4th.
What time?
10 o'clock.
Thank you. I'll assume that Nasser versus Qualls got adjourned, okay?
Which case?
Although I think we're working on a CD. I thought it was done, but maybe not.
March 4th at 10 a.m.
Yes, it was adjourned to March 5th at 10.
March 5th.
That's what you have here. NASA.
Did case 114 get adjourned till March 5th?
Yes, at 10.
Is that the full case? I had full in my hand.
No, this is the NASA.
Okay, I have 2034.
That's your last case?
Yep.
All right, I'm going to leave. Thank you.
But set to bring it in. And lean over like this, like that, so. I couldn't bring it in.
You said a walker,
I have a,
or the one that you push and sit on?
I have a walker for when I had back surgery,
Mhm.
and I was gonna try to use it to keep me.
Can't you raise it up?
No, this is one of the old ones too. At least I couldn't figure it out. Back hurts so bad. So bad. Yeah.
Probably can raise it up so that you can stand up straight.
We have two people in the breakout room. In the breakout room. But I've already given dates.
Are we waiting on Ms. Mathis? Did we finish her?
No, Denise, that one hasn't been finished yet.
Okay.
Morning, by the way.
How you doing, Mr. Horka?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm good.
Your Honor, I was in the breakout room with Miss Poole, and this is Donovan McCarty, P80907. She just, I think, got disconnected, but we were wrapping up. I think we were just going to get an adjourned date.
Okay, I'll bring everybody out of the breakout room.
Actually, Judge, that was the Jim Abbott case you gave March 4th at 10 a.m. And I think Mr. Abbott said he had to go to a different courtroom.
Oh, okay, great. That's good to know. I can call her and let her know that date.
You still got Miss Mathis? What's Miss Mathis case?
Okay, there we go.
Hi, Miss Poole.
Her case number, Miss Mathis.
Okay. Yeah, I'm here.
What's the best?
What's the last 3 digits of the case number, Ms. Mathis? Ms. Mathis?
888, Your Honor.
Here.
I don't have a date on here. I don't have a new date for it.
Oh, do I leave?
No, we don't have a new date when you come back. Ms. Poole, you can leave.
Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.
You too, ma'am. I'm sorry for waiting so long. Now, Ms. Mathis. Let's set it up a new date for Ms. Mathis. Who was in the breakout room with Ms. Poole? Is that you, Mr. Horton?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. This is Donovan McCarty, P80907.
You were in the breakout room with
Miss Poole, yeah, I was in the breakout room with her. She knows that it was adjourned till March 4th at 10 a.m.
Now, Ms. Mathis, who was in the room with Ms. Mathis?
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, I was in the room with Miss Mathis. I did explain to her what Mr. Horka had offered. Like I said, I can't represent her in this matter, given my relationship with Miss Snow, who was representing her previously. I don't know that I think the parties are still apart on this matter, but I think maybe it's best if they speak directly at this point. Or speak directly to the court. I'm not sure. I mean, obviously, whatever the court decides.
Judge, Ms. Mathis had indicated that she could vacate by the end of this month. I'm happy to sign off, happy for the court to enter an order of eviction with a delayed execution until February 1st, and just finding that the defendant is not a covered person because this is a termination case. So if she's looking till the end of the month to move, my client's given me authority to agree to that.
I am covered, Your Honor, by the CDC. I do have a lease.
And did we get that lease? Did you send that lease to me?
No, I didn't, Your Honor. The lease was already sent to the court.
Didn't I ask you to send that lease?
Yes. How do I send it?
You can email it.
Okay. I have my daughter do it. I don't know how to do it.
Judge, did you make a ruling on whether the court is going to enforce the terms that were placed on the record back in October? What we have is a party trying to withdraw from a consent that was placed on the record without good reason.
Yes, ma'am, you can send me the lease and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.
What time tomorrow, Your Honor?
What time tomorrow, Renee? It's gonna be a crowd. Renee's checking to see.
No, I'm trying to send my email out.
While Renee is looking, Your Honor, can I request that Denise prepare a transcript for tomorrow's hearing from the October 23rd court date?
I don't think she can
You
get
can
to
send
it.
it anytime tomorrow.
I don't think we can get to a transcript tomorrow.
Is there any way to view the YouTube video that was taken on that day?
Mr. Harker, was that a trial?
No, it was simply a settlement that was placed on the record.
What day was it? I'm sorry.
I want to double check, but I think it was October 23rd, but I'm going to double check that right now.
I put my email in the chat session.
Renee put her email address in the chat room. Could you email it to us, Ms. Mathis?
Yes, I will, Your Honor.
And then we'll try and send it to me about 10 o'clock tomorrow, and then I'll have it to look at.
Okay, how you do the chat, Your Honor?
You said your daughter could show you how to do it?
Yeah, I have my youngest daughter do it, show me.
Okay.
Looks like it was October 26, 2020.
Even if there is I don't know, let me look at the, okay. I'll see you guys at February 1st. No, I mean, what is tomorrow?
12. January 12th.
January 12th, I'm sorry.
Was that at 10 a.m., Your Honor? Sorry.
Sure I did. Okay, everybody, have a good evening, okay?
You too. Thank you, Your Honor.
Goodbye.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thanks, Judge. Thanks, Denise, Renee. Take care.
Two.
Gone, Denise?
Oh, she's there.
I'm about to go. I'm on. I gotta come down there today, so I'll be down there.
Well, I'll be gone.
Yeah, you go feel better.
Yep,
Yeah, you go feel better.
yep.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, see you guys tomorrow.
right.
Ooh,
What?
did Miss Mathis leave?
She right there.
Miss Mathis. Mr. Horka,
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
Yep.
you know what? I might not be here tomorrow.
Okay, it's cool because my son have a dental appointment tomorrow to get a root canal. So that works out good. You gotta get a root
Let's
canal.
make it the 13th. I'm going to the clinic tomorrow to get shots. So let's make it the 13th, Mr. Horka.
That works, Your Honor. Hope it goes
Thank
well
you very
tomorrow.
much, Mr. Horka.
What time?
Same time, 10 o'clock, but on the 13th.
Okay, okay, Your Honor, thank you. Feel better.
Thank you.
Denise, I'm gonna give you a call in a couple if that's okay.
All right. All right, y'all. Bye-bye. See ya. Well, Judge, I hope you feel better.
Me too.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I took my hair down. I think I get it done this Friday.
Oh, this is the functional services from Mr. Mom.